back on the Sunbeam, reassembling our rear carb, and it has, it's so funny, the forward carb has no play in out like this, but it's got tons of play as there we go, it's stuck, it's binding just like we were talking about. It's got a ton of play like this. This one has a bunch of in and out. Well, there it is. It does have a lot now that you get the butterfly open, which is bad because watch how the shaft, as it closes, it also pulls inward. It's like open, close, open, close. I'm really not happy with that. But see how it is once it's all assembled and see what we get. Alright, we got our accelerator pump, squirter and everything all situated. The check ball's in there. Remember, this one didn't even have a check ball, so I had one. Actual accelerator pump piston itself, good to go. I need to put our new needle and seat in. Then I will be putting our top on. Gasket. It's going to go. Well, we'll get there eventually, just like that. But I'm gonna put our new needle and seat in first. All right, everything's ready to rock. All right, so we got our carbs on. I just have those holding chokes open because I don't have the throttle or choke or anything hooked up. They are connected together. The fuel lines are connected as well. We could crank it a little bit and we have fuel back in the bowl. So we're hoping to fire up. Looks like it's piddling fuel over there now. Pretty bad out of fitting. Great. Okay, so both fuel lines, I've tightened them back up again. And the accelerator pumps are working. So we are good. We have fuel. Let's see if we can get them to run. It runs. Pretty decent, actually. Whoa, 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 whoa. Issue there. Big time issue there. That looks like maybe a float issue. Oh, yeah, we're spewing everywhere. So remember, new floats did not come in the carburetor rebuild kits, but we are dumping fuel. Oh, wow. That's lovely. It's literally just running out of the booster. The rear one seems to be behaving. The forward one is not. It's definitely a fuel issue. I have a feeling these carbs are not in the best of shape internally. That there's some casting issues inside, maybe some cracks, some fissures, and now that we clean them, rears its ugly head.